Okay, this slide here is another reminder about the predicates of sentences. The predicates of sentences are the action parts of sentences. They start with a verb or an action word, and they come after the subject, and the subject is usually at the beginning of my sentence. Okay, I know I've said these things many times before, but repetition will fix this piece of information in your brains. Okay, now just for this time I'm going to read the first sentence. My brother rides his red bike. Okay, as you noticed, I've used two different colors because I'm using black for the subject of the sentence. This sentence is about my brother. And what does my brother do? Rides his bike. Okay, so the green part, the black part, that's my subject, and the green part is my predicate. And my predicate starts with a verb. It's starting with an action word, because rides is something I can ride. It's something I do. Okay, so it's called an action verb. Okay, or an action word. Okay, now um I want to end this show because I want, yeah, here we're going to do this together. Okay, we're going to figure out which part is my subject and which part is my predicate, and I'm going to turn the predicate green. Okay, but we're going to read the sentence together. His mom is baking 3 cakes. Who is the sentence about? Okay, who is baking the cake? What is my subject? Who is the subject of my sentence? Exactly, it is my mom. Okay, so my mom here, this part here, I'm going to underline it. That is my subject, and my predicate is the rest of the sentence. It starts with a verb and then an action word and then the rest. So is a helping verb, and baking is my action word, and that's my predicate. This is my predicate. Okay, and I'm going to turn it green for you. Okay, all right. The children like to eat pizza. So who is this sentence about? That's right, the sentence is about, my subject is the children. Okay, and what are the children doing? What is the action that they are liking? To eat pizza. So the children like to eat pizza. That's the green part, my predicate. It starts with a verb or an action word or an action verb. Okay, all right, let's look at the next sentence. The little kitten sat on, oops, I made a mistake here, correct it, on Anne's lap. Okay, so the little kitten sat on Anne's lap. Who is this sentence about, or what is this sentence about? It's about the little kitten. That is my subject. Okay, I will underline that. And oops, I took away the bold. I didn't underline. I underlined. What is the action that the kitten is doing? It sat on Anne's lap. There you go. That's your predicate. It starts with an action verb or an action word. Okay. Next one. I am going to travel tomorrow. Who is this sentence about? It's about I. This is the subject of the sentence. And what is I? What am I going to do? Am going to travel tomorrow. That's true, by the way. I am going to travel tomorrow. All right, I'm going to Ain al-Sukhna. So here is my helping verb and here is my action word. Okay, and because I used am, I put ing at the end of the word go. See, did you notice that? It's instead of I go, it's I and am because I used am. So I added my ing because but I use the word tomorrow to say that this is going to happen tomorrow. So this sentence is not happening right now. It's tomorrow. It will happen tomorrow. I'm going to travel tomorrow. Okay. And then the last sentence, you can help me. Who is the sentence about? It's about you. That is my subject. And oh, I did the same mistake again. Okay. And then my predicate. There it is. Can help me. Okay. So again, we have a helping verb here and then the action verb help. Okay. I hope that you are now okay with subjects and predicates, grade 2. We've done several exercises in class. So now it's your turn to practice by yourself after you watch this video on Nearpod. Okay? Have a nice weekend and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.